A one-way ticket to a bad man's destination. Destination! Hey, hey! Destination on God's path. This is where it's led me right now. And let me tell you, it's lucky I know about permaculture, because problems lead to solutions, and the only solution is evolution. And our God is almighty, and our God is the only one who is helping us with the solution, because he doesn't want revolution, he doesn't want anyone to die. But anyway, back to topic. This morning, Switzerland called me up. A police officer from the lowest level called me up and said he wants to kill all my animals because my wife doesn't want to take responsibility. Because I've decided to be free and say hello and no goodbye. Now, anyway, instead of crying and going, oh, I found a solution. I called up neighbours and I took the solution in my own hands. And anyway, what should I say? I'm abroad. So in the case that says my sword is in my holster, and anyway, the problem is the solution. Evolution over revolution. God is almighty, God is the Lord. Please, let's bring down his kingdom. Heaven on earth is the only solution.